Is there a surgery to get rid of my vertigo? Today I'm going to answer that question. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to live a life of optimal health and well-being by removing the blockages in their health for the last 20 years without drugs or surgery. The short answer is no, there's not a surgery for vertigo. However, that's really not the full answer, so stay tuned and I'm going to go through it all and then tell you what you need to do at the end to solve your vertigo. You know, vertigo is actually, it's kind of challenging because vertigo is a collection of symptoms. It's not really a disorder. And vertigo can have so many different factors that are causing it that unfortunately there's not a surgery that can wind up resolving it. Vertigo stems from difficulty where the room starts spinning around you, and most thoughts are that problems with the ear will trigger that. However, there are three other areas that combine to focus into that area massively: the eyes, the jaw, as well as the cervical spine and neck. So for some of the surgical procedures that have been suggested for problems with dizziness or other disorders that show up with symptoms like that can be a labyrinthectomy, where you remove the parts of the vestibular system that feed into the brain, the sense of space. You can also have that nerve wind up being severed. There are chemicals that they can use to put in the inner ear that wind up basically breaking down the labyrinth within the ear and the brain. And these are all surgeries that they may suggest for you or they may not. But most doctors lean towards not doing surgery for this because they don't really have a great success rate and they don't really know the causes that are going on. If you've been suffering from vertigo and or dizziness and you really don't know what to do, I've got 2 steps for you to do, okay? First off, you gotta click down below where you can pick up our 5 steps to getting out of the dizziness spins quickly. This is free. You can download it. It'll get right into your email. The second thing you've got to do, if you're not sure what your next step is that we've got to get on a discovery call. This will help you with knowing what your next steps are and are going to be the best avenues for you to go through so that you can get the answers that you need, have a plan in place from people who have successfully helped manage thousands of cases around the world, and they can do the same for you. If you've got more questions, go ahead and write them down below in the comments. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.